Understanding Hit Me Up, a guide to modern slang. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make English easy and fun for everyone. Today, we're diving into a very popular phrase in modern English, hit me up. This phrase is widely used, especially among younger speakers. So, if you want to sound more like a native or just understand what your English-speaking friends are saying, stay tuned. Hit me up is a colloquial expression that essentially means, contact me, or get in touch with me. It's a casual and informal way of asking someone to send you a message, call you, or reach out to you in some way. Originally from American English, this phrase is now used globally in English conversations, particularly among young people and in informal settings. To understand hit me up, it's helpful to know a bit about its origins. This phrase likely originated from the verb hit, which in slang can mean to contact or visit someone. Over time, hit me up became a trendy way to ask for communication, especially with the rise of instant messaging and social media. Using hit me up in a sentence is quite straightforward. Here are a few examples. 1. If you need help with your homework, hit me up. This means, contact me if you need help. 2. I'll be in town next week. Hit me up and we can meet. Here, it means, get in touch so we can arrange to meet. Remember, this phrase is best used in casual and informal contexts, like chatting with friends, and might not be appropriate in formal situations. There are a few variations and similar phrases you might hear. For example, give me a shout, drop me a line, ring me up. All of these carry a similar meaning, requesting someone to initiate contact. While hit me up is widely understood, it's essential to be aware of the cultural context. It's very casual, so it's best used with people you know well, like friends or close colleagues. Also, be aware that language trends can change, and what's popular today might be outdated tomorrow. And there you have it, folks. Hit me up is a simple yet trendy way to ask someone to contact you. It's part of modern, informal English and a great phrase to know for casual conversations. We hope this video has helped you understand and feel more confident using this phrase. Don't forget to hit us up with your comments and questions below. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.